Hello, everybody.
Do they all have two holes?
Most of them do. Not all of them.
That's interesting. I've never seen that before.
Come on, guys. Wake up. Picture time.
Maybe they'll just be great mountain climbers.
Hi, baby. This is cute. Hi, baby. Come on.
Sorry.
This is cute.
Yeah, they all need homes. They were found on a dirt road dump. There was 11 of
Really?
them.
Oh my god, they found in a dirt. 4 of them?
11.
11 of them?
Probably how
Don't
they
step
found-
on your sister.
That's probably how they found Shady. They said there were 9. She was the last one. You got her?
I hope they can find a home. Look at that basset. Oh, look at the eyes.